The rabbis tell us, what was Korach's issue? Now, I'm not going to answer that in one Dvar Torah, even though we have Chassidim of the Toldos Aaron Rebbe here in the background. Fapike and welcome. I'm still not going to answer that in one Dvar Torah. But Rashi tells us, Eino hitaso, his eye sent him astray. What do you mean? He has two eyes. Everybody has two eyes. Does it say that Korach only had one eye, the one-eyed bandit? No, that was somebody else. We'll learn about that in a few weeks, Hashem. So what's this Eino? In order to answer that, I'm going to ask a question with another question. Let's look at the end of the Torah. Torah says about Moshe Rabbeinu. Moshe Rabbeinu, Ben Meir v'Esrim Shana b'Mosla, he was 120 years old when he died. Lo kasa Eino v'lo nas lecho. Says the Heilige Old Scroll. His eye had not dimmed and his vigor had not diminished. Again, what's with this one eye? Moshe Rabbeinu had two eyes. What's with the one eye? So one is going to answer the other one. Rameir Shapiro, the Lubliner Rav, founder of Daf Yomi, tells us as follows. This is what Chazal tells us. Of course, both of them had two eyes. We know what are the two eyes for. One eye is for you to realize the greatness of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, to look upwards and realize how great Hashem is, and we try to emulate Him. The other eye is for you to realize Shiflus Adam, to be anav, to be humble, and not to get your greatness get to you. Hashem is great, but you're not God. You work on yourself, and you be humble, and you don't be boastful. Korach, what happened? His eye messed him up. He focused on the one eye, on the greatness, following in the ways of Hashem, and he became, he thought he was Hashem. He became too great. So his eye messed him up. The eye of thinking that he was so great messed him up. What does it say about Moshe Rabbeinu? His eye had not dimmed. It never waned. One eye never dimmed. One eye never became shvach. We're in the koil for the Yiddish-speaking people. What had an oiske shvach? What eye never became oiske shvach? The eye of shiflot atzmo, the eye of being an anav, like we learned last week. For ish Moshe anav b'oid. That's what the Torah is telling us. That's why it says one eye by one and one eye by the other one. They both had two eyes. Moshe Rabbeinu focused on shiflot atzmo. That eye never dimmed, and Korach